Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix this problem. Connection error. Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. Error code. That's very annoying. I really feel you. I know the feeling. It's very annoying. Like you just want to play the game and this error pops up. So let me show you how you can fix this error. And so what you have to do is to go to here, to type here to search in the search bar, and here please write services. Go to services and then
Here we need to look for a service, so please follow along with me. That's very important. So let's look.
okay, this one. Okay, please right click and go to properties and then select automatic and apply, and then please here where it says service status, please click on start. Please click on start, and now okay, and now it's running. This is the service that is preventing the game from running, from starting, I mean. So now let me show you another thing that we have to do in order the service to run properly. So now right click on the Windows logo and select run, and here please write config, and now okay, and now please go to services and select hide all Microsoft services, and here scroll a little bit down and we have this service that we just enabled. Please check this service and apply and okay. And now we just need to restart our computer. So let me restart your computer and I will check if now Valorant works.
So I just restarted my computer. Now let's check if Valorant works. Valorant. Okay. Let's see if it works now. Hopefully it works. Okay, let's wait a couple of seconds. And here we go. Here we go.
Okay. And it works, guys. It works. Okay, so please follow, guys, all the steps I present you in this video so you can play the game. And don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that if you could subscribe and like this video and comment down your thoughts. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.